Hey everyone, Bryan at gardenminutes.com here. We had some more questions about our video the other day on how we connect our multiple garden grids in one garden bed together, and we do that with the use of our garden grid connection manifold. We briefly went over this in the last video. I just wanted to get a closer look for you so you can see a little more detail. Basically what this manifold does, it has an inlet for your main garden hose, and then it has a stem where you can connect two neighboring garden grids together and then vary the water flow for each garden grid with the valves that are connected to the manifold itself. So basically you adjust this to adjust the water flow here, you adjust this to adjust the water flow here. Then if you have a third garden grid, like we do here, you can run a garden hose from the manifold to that other garden grid over here. So that way you can run all of them simultaneously from one water source. Now, if you say want to have more than 3 garden grids, all you do is run a garden hose from here to another manifold where you can have another pair of garden grids, and then so on and so on. So more or less, the manifold allows us to interconnect multiple garden grids together in one garden bed, and then it all runs from one water source. A simple, neat solution that keeps everything tight against your garden bed and out of the way from tripping over.